Welcome to Education Hub for Kids. Number with spelling. One, O-N-E, one. Two, T-W-O, two. Three, T-H-R-E-E, three. Four, F-O-U-R, four. Five, F-I-V-E, five. Six, S-I-X, six. Seven, S-E-V-E-N, seven. Eight, E-I-G-H-T, eight. Nine, N-I-N-E, nine. 10, T-E-N, 10.
A is for apple.
E is for apple.
B is for ball.
B is for ball.
C is for cat.
C is for cat.
D is for dog.
D is for dog.
E is for elephant.
E is for elephant.
F is for fish.
F is for fish.
G is for goat.
G is for goat.
H is for horse.
H is for horse.
I is for igloo.
I is for igloo.
J is for jug.
J is for jug.
K is for kite.
K is for kite.
L is for lion.
L L is for lion.
M is for monkey.
M is for monkey.
N is for nest.
N is for nest.
O is for owl.
O is for owl.
P is for parrot.
P is for parrot.
Q is for queen.
Q is for queen.
R is for rose.
R is for rose.
S is for sun.
S is for sun.
T is for train.
T is for train.
U is for umbrella.
U is for umbrella.
V is for violin.
V is for violin.
W is for watch.
W is for watch.
X is for xylophone.
X is for xylophone.
Y is for yak.
Y is for yak.
Z is for zebra.
Z is for zebra. Numbers 1 to 50. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 1 11 1 2 12 1 3 13 1 4 14 1 5 15 1 6 16 1 7 17 1 8 18. 1 9 19. 2 0 20. 2 1 21. 2 2 22. 2 3 23. 2 4 24. 2 5 25. 2 6 26. 2 7 27. 2 8 28. 2 9 29. 3 0 30. 3 1 31. 3 2 32. 3 3 33. 3 4 34. 3 5 35. 3 6 36. 3 7 37. 3 8 38. 3 9 39. 4 0 40. 4 1 41. 4 2 42. 4 3 43. 4 4 44. 4 5 45. 4 6 46. 4 7 47. 4 8 48. 4 9 49. 5 0 50.